Hello, in this video I'm going to tell you how to fix overheating during fast charging on DOOGEE smartphone. Okay, so if you have any protective case when you are charging your device, you should simply take it off for better air circulation. Also, you should avoid using the phone, you should avoid playing games when your device is charging, because normally when you are charging your device, the temperature of the battery will increase, and when you will start playing, it will combine together, and that might be the problem why your device is overheating. So playing games and charging the battery at the same time is not the best duo, and you should avoid that. And also you should use the original 33 watts or 63 watts charger for stable voltage. You should use the original charger. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.